Are you tired of the daily grind? Dreaming of a life of financial freedom? Well, behind closed doors, a golden opportunity awaits. Welcome to Unveiling the Golden Opportunity, mastering private label products and influencer marketing for massive profits. In this video, we will show you how to make millions easily. Imagine a world where you can sit back and watch the money roll in, all from the comfort of your own home. It's not a fantasy, it's the power of private label products. By creating your own brand and leveraging the power of influencers, you can tap into a multi-billion-dollar industry. Private label products allow you to bypass the hassles of product development, manufacturing, and packaging. Instead, you focus solely on building your brand and marketing it to the masses. But how do you ensure success? Enter influencers. Influencers have immense power to sway consumer behavior. Through their online presence, they shape trends and influence purchasing decisions. By partnering with the right influencers, you can skyrocket your sales and reach millions of potential customers overnight. But how do you find the perfect influencers for your brand? It's all about targeting the right audience. Research your niche, analyze your competitors, and identify the influencers who resonate with your target market. Then, craft compelling collaborations that align with your brand's values. Once you've found your star influencers, it's time to unleash the power of private label products. Design unique, high-quality products that meet the needs and desires of your target market. Create a brand that captivates and excites consumers. Build a reputation for excellence and watch as your brand becomes a household name. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, hard work, and a solid strategy. Continuously refine your marketing tactics, keep up with consumer trends, and adapt to changing market conditions. The road to millions may be paved with challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. But with a private label, that path will be much easier and shorter. So, are you ready to unlock the world of private label products and influencer marketing? Join us on this journey to financial freedom. Seize the golden opportunity that awaits you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights.